The Supreme Court has accepted the settlement reached between the novelist MT Vasudevan Nair and director V.A. Shrikumar in connection with the making of a movie Randamoozham. As per the settlement term, the director would hand over the script both in Malayalam and English in typewritten and electronic forms to MT Vasudevan Nair for the movie to be made of the said novel written by him. The author would pay him the sum of 1,25,000 rupees. Famous Malayalam novelist Nair entered into an agreement with the Earth and Air Films Private Limited to produce motion picture in Malayalam, English and Hindi on the basis of novel. As the latter failed to pay the entire consideration, Nair filed a suit was a declaration that MOU and agreement entered into between the plaintiff and defendants to terminate it, and the defendants were to restrain by a decree of permanent prohibitory injunction from making use of MOU and agreement, and further for a decree of mandatory injunction to the defendants return the English and Malayalam script of Randamoozham in typewritten and electronic format. We are now joined by Devanshi. Devanshi, could you brief us about today's court proceedings?
In this case, Honorable Court has disposed of the SLP as withdrawn since the dispute has been settled, and instructed parties that they shall abide by the settlement. As per the settlement norms, the director would hand over the script both in Malayalam and English in typewritten and electronic form to MT Vasudevan Nair for the movie to be made of the novel, and the author would pay back the sum of rupees 1 crore and 25 lakh.